Hi everybody, Mr. Sparks here. I'm just going to take you through some use of what's called a number line. I find it really helpful if you're adding and subtracting, especially if you're adding and subtracting with negative numbers. It gets a little bit tricky when we start going below zero and having to look at negative and positive numbers being combined together. So what we're going to do, I'm going to draw a number line for you. So it's just a straight line like this. What we're going to do, we're going to put 0 in the middle, and then evenly to one side, we're going to have our positive numbers. Now that will be the right side. I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this can be continued when you're working with bigger numbers. We're also going to go to the left. Now these are going to be our negative numbers. So negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Also going to add in at the end here, negative 5. Now, where the number line is really helpful is if we have, for example, 3 plus 2, we look for where the number 3 is, and then if we're adding, we add and go to the right, which means we go 2 spots to the right, 1, 2, to give us an answer of 5. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now, where it's really, really helpful is when we start looking at negative numbers. For example, if we have 2 take 4, we can find the number 2. When we take, we go to the left. So when we're subtracting, when we take, we go to the left. So we're going to go to the left 4 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. That leaves us with an answer here that we can see as negative 2. So that's how you can use a number line. I find it really helpful because no matter where you start on that number line, even if you start with a negative number, just remember when you plus, you go to the right, moving 1 spot each time. When you take, you go to the left. So it doesn't matter where you start, you can end up on the correct answer when we're adding and subtracting, even if we go below 0 into those tricky negative numbers.